Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'm one of the health coaches here at One Integrative Wellness. Our practice has helped thousands of patients improve their health and wellness naturally, and many of those patients had been frustrated by the current healthcare system. Their lab tests appeared to be normal, yet they still had symptoms. They were put on medications, but they didn't feel any better. They had been to specialist after specialist and still had no answers. They remained tired, run down, and they just didn't feel well. Does this sound like you? We understand your frustration, and we take a different approach to your health to ensure that you get the care that you deserve and relief from your symptoms. Today, I want to talk about our 14-day detox program. As a health coach, I see many patients who suffer from the same symptoms of bloating, digestive issues, weight gain, food cravings, mood swings, and fatigue. But because we are a functional medicine-based practice, we dig deeper than just looking at symptoms. We want to find the root cause of those symptoms. And the symptoms that I just described could be the result of hidden food allergies or an overload of toxins in the liver. Let's face it, we live in a toxic environment, and sometimes our bodies just need a little bit of help. So we've designed this 14-day detox kit to help our patients clean out the liver, give the digestive system a break, uncover hidden food allergies, and jumpstart their weight loss. This 14-day detox kit includes all the nutritional supplements, tools, and support that you would need to look and feel great fast. It includes a nutritional powder that contains all the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed to fuel and support your body. A plant-based protein powder, which will help to stabilize blood sugar levels and support lean muscle mass. 2 herbal supplements, one to support your liver and help it release toxins, and the other is a plant-based digestive enzyme to help break down the food, which will help your digestion and reduce your bloating. All of these high-quality supplements are free of common allergens like gluten and dairy and are stimulant-free. In addition, you will also receive 2 one-on-one health coaching sessions, nutritional guidelines to support the detox, recipes and suggestions for your meals and snacks. We will give you all the tools you need to make this detox easy and enjoyable. And when you are done, you could expect to lose weight, feel less bloated, lose those inches, have better digestion, better sleep, and a happier mood overall. And most importantly, a better understanding of the foods that work best for your body and those that don't. If you don't live locally, no problem. This kit can be shipped directly to you, and the health coaching sessions could be done through phone or Skype. If I told you you can look and feel better in just 2 short weeks, wouldn't you want to give it a try? I invite you to call or come into our office to learn more and get a jump start on your health and wellness.